So the thing, and I just wrote an article for GoDaddy on this, the idea of products and services. So
Mhm.
services, of course, right? You're off, these are all services that you're offering, but a resume review could be a product as well, because it's a 30-minute defined amount of time where you're offering something.
Mhm.
So this is where you kind of have to be a little creative and find the gray space, not black and white. With products, if you click on products really quick, you're going to notice the big difference here. You have your development program, which is great. Notice how you put in the photo. And even if you click on that one, just so we can see the details. So you have up to those 58 characters for your product name. You can choose a category. In this case, you could make your own category, like career development category, right?
Okay. So it's just like
Mm-hmm.
career program
Mm-hmm.
or career
And then
development.
you've got your price. Yeah, career development program would be good because it adds that extra keyword in there.
Mhm.
Your product description. So you have up to 1,000 characters. Not that you have to write all of them, but I would say write at least 2 to 3 healthy sentences. Try to get to 200 to 300 characters, if not more.
Okay.
This right here is actually this is rich content. So if someone is looking for, are you looking to advance your career? Are you looking to make that next step to get into a C-level role? Or do you feel like you hit a glass ceiling? Things like that. Hey, consider this career development program. So put in some keywords in there. Don't stuff them, but you're still talking to them, but you're also kind of talking to the search engine as well
Gotcha.
and letting Google know what this product is about. That way, um, one thing that you're going to find is as you add on more products, because you have the actual image, you're going to induce more clicks because it's visual. Plus, if someone's searching for career development, not necessarily whole you, because whole you doesn't talk about career development,
Mhm.
now you have a chance of showing up because that product and that product category have to do with career development.
Understood. And
Mm-hmm.
that was a question in the name. It says whole you, but I've started to call it whole you career and life strategy so that it's more obvious.
Yep. So with that, make sure if you're going to make that change, definitely I would consider doing that for your business name on Google because it adds a little bit more, right? To learn from. The other thing too, and I will send you a link afterwards. You want to check out how your listings are showing up around the web because just because you change it here or you change it on your website, around the web, you might still be shown as whole you. So you want to have a consistent name because Google rewards you for that.
Okay,
And I'll show you how to do that.
great.
Okay. So yeah, for anybody watching, if you have the products tab, add products and take the time to add as many products as you can. Services, if you'll just kindly click on services really quick, you'll see you've got resume review. Notice the one where it says professional branding. Click on that one where it's the big link.
Mm-hmm.
So obviously we want to change that to just professional branding. The service name should be professional branding instead of the URL. The URL won't show up. They won't be able to click it. And then in the service description, you can say, visit our website to learn more about our professional branding packages.
I see.
Mm-hmm. Yep. There
Okay,
you go.
I'll add that in there.
So now through services and through products, you're covering bases and you're trying to get maximum exposure for everything you do.